Hello and welcome to Jee Upsc classes. Today we'll be doing something called the greatest common divisor or the GCD. Some of you may be knowing this as HCF or the GCF, and we will be doing this for the number theoretic exercises. Many of you may have done this in 3rd grade or like 4th grade. When we were little kids, we weren't able to understand what this meant and what was it used for. So now let us just get to it then. The greatest common divisor or the GCD is the highest common factor. It's the highest common factor of two given integers a and b of a and b, and let this be a positive number d, such that now d is such that 1 d divides a and d divides b, and number 2 if for an integer c, let's just put this up, c divides a and c divides b, then this automatically implies that c divides d. The GCD or the HCF or the GCF for you guys will be denoted by this a comma b, of a and b. Or generally it's written like this, or sometimes it's just written like GCD a comma b. Right. So suppose you have any two numbers. Let's suppose you have 270 and give me another one. Let's say 144. Let's say you have these two numbers and you want to find the GCD. So what do you do? What did you do when you were in 3rd grade? You used to prime factorize. Hold on, just 1 minute. Let me just rub this out. You used to use prime factorization to determine the GCD. So how do you do it? This, if you prime factorize, will give you 2 into 3 cube into 5, and this will give you 2 to the power 4 into 3 squared. Right? These are your prime factors. Now your job is to find out the common factors. Now we know that 2 or like 3 to the power squared or 3 to the power 2 and 2 are in both of these two expressions. So the HCF will become 2 into 3 squared, and that's your answer, which is probably 18. Yeah, it's 18. Another theorem states that the GCD of A1, A2, an of n numbers equal to the GCD of the GCD of A1 an minus 1 comma an. And this is equal to, if you break this up again, then you will find that this is the GCD of n minus 2 numbers. This is n minus 2 numbers again, the GCD of n minus 2 numbers, and the rest of it. Right. So this is what is called a recursive formula, and this is another method of finding the GCD. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.